What's up, YouTube? This is Chevrolet Guru, and today we've got a 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe RST. We're going to kind of show you the differences and what the new features are for the 22 model. They have made a few upgrades to it. Very clean looking car, as you can see, with the black rims, black badging there. And this one is the 3.0 liter Duramax diesel version. You can see that's written down right down there, the RST. Well, let's just take a look at it. I mean, outside didn't change much from the 21, but the inside is where they did change it. See your information cluster, or all your options here. You got your memory seating there, power mirrors there, power folding. That's what that button right there is. Let's take a look here. One of the coolest new features on it is that. This is the enhanced DIC, or Driver Information Center. So we'll go ahead and start this up. Let's turn that down. So you can see it looks a lot different. The whole thing is one giant digital readout now. It's no longer has any traditional dials and gauges on it. You know, you have your temperature down here, your oil temp, your fuel gauge, then you have your battery life, or the voltage, your oil pressure right there, your fuel economy is up here, speed, time, temperature, there's your speedometer, here's your tachometer over here, and that just tells you what the speed limit is on the road you're currently traveling if it's posted. The coolest thing about it is you can actually change the readout. So let's go to settings, display layout. It's hard to read with the camera, but you can go classic, we were on progressive, then you have digital, and then clean. But you can basically customize this any which way that you want. So once we go here, we can go then to left side information. So if we want the compass there, the temp and time, that's your tire pressure, your fuel economy average, your transmission fluid, or none. You can kind of select what you want. You can do the same thing with the right side. Select whichever display you want there. That's your drive mode. It just tells you normal, it's in two-wheel drive. But that is pretty much that. Then you can change your lower gauges. That is maximum. Then you can go to medium, minimum. Just changes the number of things that are displayed down there. That's your info page options, so driver summary, trip one, so on and so forth. So, but that is probably one of the biggest changes to it was the DIC here, which is cool. Of course, your screen here, still nice big, still the push button shifter right there. Then you have your push button start. All of your options down here, your heated seats, dual climate control, your rear climate. So let's just go up here, stay in demo mode. So that's what your display looks like now. So they did change that up. Looks like you have a Google something here. What's that? Oh, we don't want to talk to Google right now. So let's just see what all the different little options are. So that's your trailering provision. So that's a phone. I guess it's supposed to be an image of a phone. Google Maps, music. And that just gives you some more options. Play Store, trailering, climate, settings, Wi-Fi, My Chevrolet, Google News, podcasts. Kind of cool. your cameras. This one has the 360 camera view, so you can see here is your 360-degree overview. That's behind you. You can change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7 different angles, because this one will just take off the backup lines. But you can see here, whoops, there's the front of the car, there's the back, here's the front, and you can see where you're going to go by turning the wheel. And here's behind you, same thing. This here is the back side. Those are both of the back tires. This kind of gives you a side view. And then you can change it to the front, so you can see if you're pulling into a tight spot. You can kind of, you know, if there's a curb right here, you'll be able to see it so you don't curb check anything. This is the trailer hitch view, so you can see right down and back that hitch up yourself. And that's kind of your different options you got there. So we'll go back to that. Exit out of there. It's a clean setup they have here. This one does have the full panoramic. Captain's chairs. There's your center console. There's your wireless charger right down there. You just gotta set it down in there. We'll go over here. So if you want your auto stop start disengaged, push that. Auto stop off. So you no longer have to do any of those weird, funky shifting things. Just push a button. This is for the power outlet. You can go to your camera views right here, push that button, and now it's up there. Traction control. This here is your lane keep assist, rear park assist, rear and front park assist, your parking brake. This is your auto 4-wheel gauge, 2 high, 4 low, 4 high. Your mode to go from trailering to normal. These here are your lights. This is how you're dimming your brightness of your information and the screen. Bright and stuff you want those will show up right there. You can change that right there. And of course you got your trailer brake right here. I mean, that's kind of an overview of the 22 real quick. You can get a little look at what all the buttons up here are. You can fold all your back seats down right here. Control the tailgate from right here. Your universal home remote's right there. But that's just kind of a quick overview. This vehicle is sold to a customer, was ordered for a particular customer, and well, she will be here momentarily. So just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick overview of it before we didn't have it anymore. But that is the 22 Chevrolet Tahoe. As always, if you like the video, please hit that like and subscribe button. And be sure to stay tuned, and we will be doing some more videos, more in depth on the 22 Tahoe. If there's something in particular you would like us to do it on, please leave a comment below. Let us know what you want a video on, and we will do it as soon as we get a vehicle for it. Oh, that's a new feature. You can't shift until you actually have buckled up, which is somewhat of a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. But that's it, guys. So thank you, and hope it helped.